guys, it's Jessica. Today we are doing a declutter of my lips products, not these. Although my lip product is looking a little old because I've had it on for hours. I've been decluttering all day long. It's a blasty. It was rainy when I started. It's sunny now. It's been a very bizarre few hours. I have gotten rid of so much. It's crazy, but it's such a good feeling. Now, if you want to hear my reasoning, like my dead on serious reasoning behind why I'm doing this once and for all to prevent that, that's why I'm removing myself from a lot of PR lists, if not most of them, and really thinking about, what is staying in my makeup collection. Obviously, my job is to review makeup and tell you what the best products out there are. So I feel like as I tell you about the best products, if I have 50 lipsticks that I think are really, really good, just because they're all really good doesn't mean I need to keep 50 lipsticks. So I need to really pare this down, which means that I'm going to be getting rid of products that I've said, even recently, that I love. And it doesn't mean I don't love them. It just means I'm picking just a couple to keep. Does that make sense? So I know last time I decluttered, people got upset. So I try to make that very clear. All right, we're going to do lip products. I actually have kept this decently small compared to what it used to be like, but it's still too much. So we're going to get rid of a lot. All right, here we are. I'm going to be really cutthroat with this because this is far too much. Definitely keeping my Kopari Lip Love. There's so many products in here I really like, but you know what? If I'm not reaching for them all the time, they don't need to stay. I feel like all of this can go. They're all good, but I only need 1 or 2 lip balms. This is another one I want to keep. Nuxe Reve Miel lip balm. So I'm going to keep these, pass on all of those. Yes, this is the way we're rolling. Oh, and the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. I have 2 of these. One of them is in my purse, the pear one. Keeping both of these, I love them. So that's all I need. Any other lip balms can go. This Hanalei lip treatment I freaking love, but it is old. I've had that for years. So that can go. Now I'm a little overwhelmed here. I just want to pull out the ones I really, really, really love. I love both Fenty Beauty Gloss Bombs, but I really only need 1. So I think I'm just going to keep Fussy and pass on Fenty Glow. I know, you're surprised. Me too. But again, I'm always reaching for Fussy anyway. So why keep Fenty Glow, This was the dupe for it. I don't need all of that. I love the Buxom glosses, but I certainly don't need all of these. I'm sure there's more buried around in here. I think I'm just gonna keep, I don't need the red one. I don't think I'll ever really use that. Claire, I say as I'm wearing red lipstick. Sandy, Dolly, and Claire. I think I'm gonna keep Claire because it just looks fun and glittery, and I think it's the newest of them, so I would have it for longer. So I'm gonna keep 1 of those. Oh, my dose of colors. I'm gonna pass on the liquid catsuit, sorry, from Wet n Wild. I'm jumping around on you. Because I never really found a shade I love, so I just am not gonna keep them. Get out of here, little one. Oh, there's another Buxom in Sugar. Ooh, that's a little light. I don't need that. These NARS glosses are nice, but guess what? I never use them. Let me pull them all to the side. These can go. This Charlotte Tilbury gloss, side note, I don't think is that great. It's like I don't know. It's just such a standard gloss. I'm like, why pay the price for that? It's not even anything special. So many products that are really good. Wet n Wild's can go. The Marcel gloss was nice, but again, it was nothing really special. Elf gloss was okay, nothing really special. Okay, Lana Lips I wanted to like. It gets that creepy line in the middle of your lips. I kind of want to give it another shot though. Let me think about this because I really only used it twice. I like the Sephora lip plumper, but I really don't need both this and the Buxom, so I'm going to pass that one on. And that one's getting a little bit older anyway. Okay, let's get into my dose of colors ones here because I love them, but again, I don't need all of them, and I'm going to be smarter about my purchasing habits. Messy Bun is an obvious keep. That's like the original. This is my favorite lip gloss of all time, by the way. If I didn't make that clear, if you're new to my videos. It smells like vanilla. It makes your lips look like pillows. Oh my gosh, it's so good. This was like the first gloss from this that I ever tried that started my love affair with it, and it's so pretty. So that is an obvious keep. And then I think I'm just going to keep maybe 1 more. I think Just My Type is the one I really like. It's a little bit peachier than Messy Bun, but it's still a deeper peach. Because for me, my lips are naturally pigmented, so if I go too peach, like Happy Hour, it just looks silly. So Happy Hour definitely can go. Spill the Deets is nice and pink, but I just don't need all of these, I think I'd rather keep this peachy one and pass on that. And then On Repeat, did I say the wrong shade? I don't know. On Repeat's a little bit browner. I don't really need that. I don't wear a lot of brown on my lips. And Jazzy's really almost glittery. It's really pretty, but I don't need it. So I'm just gonna keep those two. Jessica, girl, yes. All right, I really like these Milk lipsticks. Let me think about those. Some of these, I just don't reach for enough to even keep them here at all. Like the Lipify Stilo, it's a beautiful formula, but it's a little too bright and it just slides around. Oh yeah. The Fenty Beauty like lip paint stunner. I don't like matte lips. I think I'm gonna get rid of all the matte lip products I have. Why keep them? I don't ever reach for them because I don't like them. Even I'm like, oh, well, I'll keep it in case I need an example. But guess what? I've never need an example because I'm the one deciding what I want to film videos about. So I've like this Jouer one I've had for a long time can go. Dose of Colors. This is a matte lip color in stone. It's a really popular one. I just don't like matte lips. Okay. Oh, I love this. The Dior Lip Glow. It's just one of those kind of like mood changing, you know what I mean? I really like that. I actually use it a lot. This NARS one does the same thing, and I use both a lot. So these Lancome ones, oh yeah. These are like one of my favorite, because these are almost like a lip stain, but they're glossy. It's the most bizarre thing, and I really, really like them. I could see myself keeping a few shades of this, because I like the brighter shades because they stay in place so well. So I probably don't need like the nude shades, because honestly, if I'm needing a lip stain, I don't really need it to be a nude. I could just wear a gloss. Oh, they're so freaking pretty. I think what I'll do, I know I'm going to keep number 168. Yeah, this one I've like even traveled with. This is beautiful, juicy red. This one's more of like an orangey red. I kind of like that too. And then this is more of a berry. Is the berry going to be similar? Yeah, those are pretty similar. So do I need both? I think I'm just going to keep number 168. Now I'm thinking about like these lighter colors are really pretty. I think I might keep number, was that 216 there? I think I'll keep 216. And that's it. I'll pass the others on. I love that formula. Clearly struggling with a few of these. I'm avoiding for a reason. I don't want to talk about them. Some of these can go though. I've like never reached for like any of these in any recent time. I'll go. I don't like that shade. These Origins ones were okay, but they really didn't impress me like so much that I feel the need to ever use them. Kat Von D is definitely going. Dose of Colors. I think this is like from the like Mickey Mouse collection. I don't ever reach for it. I didn't even realize I still had it. You know what I mean? Okay, I realized I don't like the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick formula. These are going to go. I wore the red one on the cruise, and it was so drying. It just needs to go. I was not a fan at all, which is a shame. Because I feel like they're really creamy when you first apply them, you know? All right, I have all of these Marc Jacobs ones that I love, but like Sonic Truth, I don't wear. It's too peachy. This red one I have to keep. It's my favorite red lipstick of all time, the shade Oh Miley. I wore it on our honeymoon, man. This thing is like going to the grave with me. Infamous is really pretty too, but I'm going to leave this out because if I find another lipstick I also like, I don't need... It does. I like the Marc Jacobs lipstick formula, but I'm realizing like I really like the NARS Audacious lipstick formula as well. You know, so like how many of one shade do I really need? All right, these MAC ones I keep keeping to try and then I never use. The one I do actually use is this one in Patisserie. I bought it at Disney and I just love the shade. It's a little bit more sheeny and comfortable. So that one is going to stay. These can go, that should go back there. This was what I wore on our wedding day. It's getting old. It's the Edward Bess lipstick in Rose Demure. Just a really comfortable, really pretty pink. Going to the grave with me, man. Spite Beauty one I never reach for. I don't reach for that. I really don't reach for like any of these. They're beautiful. This is like the only matte, seriously, I've worn this in so many videos. It's one of the only matte lip products I will wear, the Physicians Formula Healthy Lip, for no other reason than I just love this color. So it's in the shade Vitamin Beet. I've worn this so much. So I think I am, it's literally, I think the only matte I'm keeping, and that's okay. This is a Clarins Instant Light Natural Lip Perfector. Again, I feel like I should like use that. I'm gonna put that in my maybe pile. This is old as could be, the L'Oreal Infallible Paint. It is so freaking good though. All right. These glosses, oh, I actually really do like the NYX Butter Gloss. I'm gonna keep the NYX Butter Gloss. It's so good. I don't find myself reaching for the Charlotte Tilbury one. This Milani Keep It Full is really good, but it's a little light for my lips. So I think I might try another one because I like it, but in a deeper shade down the road. when I need it. These I like, but again, I'm not finding myself reaching for. This one's a little bit browny. It's called Glossy Fawn. These are beautiful, these L'Oreal things. They kind of melt though, which sucks. This one, I think it's Sparkling Peach. Are these changing colors on me? This one was a little light for me. See, again, I want a shade like in between those. So I really like this formula. I would totally buy it again, but in a shade that would work a little better for me. All right, so out of these Milk Makeup lipsticks, because really, formula-wise, I really like the NARS Audacious, the Marc Jacobs, and these Milk ones. They're like really impressing me. But again, I don't need all of these, so let's just see. Oh, that red, man. This one is a little, it's called Low Key. This one I haven't even used, so I'm gonna pass on because it's not really my cup of tea. Let me look at what we're working with here. I know, my wedding one, honestly, I'm probably not really gonna use much. This is awfully similar to Patisserie. This one is similar to the Edward Bess. They're just so darn creamy, you guys. Don't need all of them. I enjoy the red. I wouldn't mind having more than red lipstick. I mean, they're literally the same shade, but it's so creamy, man. Compare this to Patisserie. Yeah, Patisserie is just a little bit glossier. It's the NARS. Okay, this one in Creme is awfully similar to the NARS one I have, so that one can go. By the way, the NARS shade I have is Raquel. I don't have a berry lipstick though, so I think I'm gonna keep this Hype one, and then obviously Patisserie I'm keeping. So I think for that reason, I'm not gonna keep this one in Infamous. I don't need, since that other one is awfully similar, the Milk Makeup one. Oh my gosh, but I love this shade so much. I think I might keep both. They're just too pretty. Hey, for that to be all of the lipsticks I'm keeping, that is not crazy. I really don't think it is. Now I've got all these glosses. I think I'm probably going to get rid of all of them. These MAC lip glasses. This one's way too light. This one's called Heart Melter. It's a lip glass. No, I just don't need these. You know, I already have the glosses I know I love. And while I do like these velvet lip glides, that would be the only thing I might hold on, you know, like think about. But these can go. That shade is pretty. It's a NARS lip gloss in Santo. Oh, it's their full vinyl lip lacquer in Santo Domingo. Oh man, that might be one I could see myself holding on to. But you know what? No, no, and no. I've not reached for any of these. These can all go. I'm acting like I need them. No, I don't. Go. Get out of here. All right, this is ridiculous how many of these I have. I swear to you, I only had like 5 lip liners like recently, and then somehow it just got crazy. Let me separate at least like my lip pencils from like the actual. Oh my gosh, that's where that went. Okay, so we've got liners, and we've got these like NARS lip thingies that I actually do like. So this is one of my favorites, the Sephora Melting Lip Click. I have the shade number 1, and it is gorgeous. So that one I'm keeping. It's just a comfortable, like, everyday lip, you know. One of these I brought with me and I really liked. It was not Juicy. I don't know how to pronounce half of these. Golden Gate Expiry. It was like kind of pinkish. Everything's being really weird on my hand because I just used Makeup Remover, but it's a really pretty, like, pink shade. So I think I'm going to keep this one because I really enjoyed using that. I don't need like the berries or the browns or the deep, you know, burgundy kind of things. I think that one's a little bit deeper than that. Yeah, I don't really need to keep that. These Nude 6 ones I liked, but you guys can't get, and I don't like them enough to like, I don't know. And this one's a matte one, so those can go, but they are beautiful. They're very similar to these, and my favorite was one called, I'm so bummed that you guys couldn't get it. Oh, some of those are NARS. It's called J Mama, which is hilarious because it's totally like a good nickname for me. Oh, is it like drying out? There we go. Oh, it's so pretty. But I think if I remember right, I liked it, but it was a little light. Like I always had to use something else with it. So that's okay. I can go. I don't need the brown. It's the only one. This is the other one I was thinking about, Golden Gate. Do I really need both though? No, just keeping the one. Oh my gosh, Jessica, how did you let it get this bad? I definitely need a red, and you know what? I realized I don't like the Stila ones. I brought this red, and again, it was running all over the place. I was not a fan. The only red option I have other than that is this L'Oreal one, which these are pretty nice. It's kind of a warm red though. I need like some of these are gonna be a little light on me anyway. Oh, this is an actual lipstick. I don't need it. They're so pretty, but I have so many. Let me just pick my favorites and just call it a day. I like this. Is this the flower one that's like similar to my lips? This is definitely a true pink. Let me see if this one's similar. Yeah, I like this. I actually do like the Charlotte Tilbury. This is in Super Size Me, and it's a nice like deeper pink that works for pigmented lips. So I'm going to keep that one, which means any of the deeper pink ones I really don't need to keep. Those, that's going to be way too light anyway. Is that similar to that? Yeah, and it's like even more like brown toned. This one, and I think Spice is awfully similar. I do think I need like a pink though, you know, like a, I don't wear that color pink very often, and that's going to be too bright. I think this one might be too bright too, because again, oh geez, that's like neon pink. I don't know. I think I'm going to get rid of all of these. I really need a, and I think I might even get rid of this red. I don't know. I desperately need a like actual berry toned one and a like blue toned red. So I'm going to keep this red just in case I need it in the meantime. But I'm just going to pass all these on. I just don't need, oh wait, this one might have been the one that was the kind of pink I like. It's like a little bit deeper. Yeah. And if I remember right, this is from Wander Beauty. It's like their dual lip setter. And the other side is like the lip color to go with it. Yeah, I actually did like that, so I think I'm going to keep it. I'm going to pass these two on, the Lana Lips and the Clarins. I was holding them in a maybe. No, I don't need them. This is all that I'm keeping. And that's all that I'm getting rid of. It's a very good feeling. This is stuff like when I look at it, I'm like, yes, like I love all of these. I've kind of got one or two of everything, but nothing crazy, not like 5 red lipsticks. And yeah, I know I love the formulas. I know I love the way these perform. And I could possibly get through one of these. So that was all for the lips. And like I said, if you missed any of the others, I've done 3 others already. I did like face products, foundations, primers, things like that. And then I did blush, bronzer, and highlight. And then I did eyeshadow and eye stuff. So it's been quite a process. I don't know if I'm going to do any more. I need to kind of reorganize and think about how I want to store this and all of that stuff. But I am excited. I have really whittled this down. If you'd be interested in me doing kind of like a vanity tour, kind of like here's what I'm working with now that I've gotten rid of all that. In the future, let me know. I would love to share that with you guys because I know for me, when I watch these videos, I'm like, so how does it look like once it's all put back? So definitely stay tuned for that. I'd love to share it. And I hope you enjoyed. This was very therapeutic for me. I'm tired. And anyway, I hope you'll subscribe to catch more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.